Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the concept of a AI problem. So we in last lecture we already discussed about that what is artificial intelligence, what are the concept of advantage disadvantage of a AI, and what is the main concept or main application where AI is used. Now here we are going to discuss the concept of AI problem. First of all, we will discuss about AI problem and then we will discuss about non-AI problem. So what is AI problem? AI problems are those problems which require knowledge to solve it. Without knowledge, this problem is not solvable. So keep this thing in mind. Here the knowledge is nothing but your database. So AI problem, what it does, what is the AI problem? AI problems are those problems that can be solved with the help of only database. Yes, exactly. If you wanted to solve any problem and that machine has that particular database to solve that, with the help of database that particular problem not solved. Okay, AI problem is solved by using AI techniques, which is non-algorithmic and symbolic approach of a problem solution. So the examples for the AI problems are chess playing, driving a car, Google assistants, and what we can say that Alexa, Siri, and different NLP. These are the main examples of a AI problem. Okay, what is AI problem? If you wanted to solve any problem or any complex problem, and if we give any what we can say that if we give the instruction to the machine to solve this problem, so that machine has that particular database to solve or to assist you people. So the AI problems required and which is to be solved with the help of AI techniques, but AI problems require knowledge or database. Now next one is non-AI problem. So non-AI problem is exactly opposite to the AI problem. So non-AI problems means what? It does not require, or it may not, it require or may not require any knowledge to solve it. Yes, if you wanted to solve the non-AI problem, so it doesn't require any algorithms or any logics or any what we can flow chart to solve that, or any database. Addition of a number, simple computer program. These are the few examples of a non-AI problem. So these are the things which is related to the AI problem. Now next one is characteristics of a AI problem. These are the characteristics of AI problem. Is the problem decomposable into a set of independent small sub problems? Can solution step ignored or at least undone? Is the problem universal or predictable? So these are the few properties or characteristics of a AI problem. Next, is a good solution to the problem which obvious without comparison to other all possible solutions? These are the few questions. Is the desired solution a state of the world or path to a state? Is a large amount of knowledge absolutely required to solve the problem? So these are the few questions which is to be asked by the AI engineer to solve to solve before AI problem. Now steps to solve the AI problem. There are different steps which is to be executed to perform AI problem. First one is define the problem precisely. The AI engineer or developer has to be define or design the problem precisely. Next, analyze the problem. So analyzing means what? Analyzing, or what we can say that particular problem which is to be analyzed, divide the problem into sub problem. Isolate and represent the task knowledge which is to be necessary to solve the problem. Here isolate, or what we can say is that ki isolate the different task knowledge. What are the different database technique which is to be available to solve the problem? you have to just find that. Now last one is choose the best problem solving technique. Last one is you have to choose or finalize the best solution technique to solve the problem. So this is for AI problem and the characteristics of AI problems, steps to solve AI problem. Now next one is production system. A production system is the collection of various production rule. It is the knowledge representation technique. A production system which is to be consist of a set of rules. Yes, exactly. Now one or more knowledge database which is to be useful for production of a database. Next, control strategy or order, what kind of step which is to be solved to execute that particular problem. And next, what kind of rule or logic which is to be applied to solve the particular problem. So this is the related to the production system. In next lecture we are going to discuss about water jug problem, and here and at that time we will discuss about what are the concept of production system and how that particular logic or particular knowledge or database which is to be represented. Okay, thank you so much.